Hey everyone, myself Payal Christie and you can subscribe my channel on YouTube for more videos. Now today we are going to study an important topic of grammar, that is active and passive, part 2. Now in part 1 I had covered how to change the sentences from active to passive in the present tense, in simple present tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense. I have also discussed how to change the active sentence into passive. You can watch my first video. Now today we are going to study the past tense, and in that we are going to study the first one is the simple past tense. Remember that in simple past tense the verb form will be always the second form. Now in simple past tense, if the sentence is given in active voice, then as we know that the subject will come first, then second form of verb, and then object. Now if we want to change it in passive voice, the auxiliary verb was or were is used. Remember that in simple past tense, if we want to change the sentence from active to passive voice, the auxiliary verb was or were is used. Was is used with singular and were is used with plural. Now, subject plus second form of verb plus object. Remember this thing, that will be in active voice. And in passive, object plus was were plus past participle of the verb. Remember that whenever we change a sentence into passive voice, the verb will be in the third form, plus by plus subject. Now let's see the examples. The hunter shot the lion. Now here the subject is the hunter, verb is shot, and an object is the lion. Now if we change it into passive voice, we know that the object will come first, then the past participle of the verb, and then subject. So the lion was shot by the hunter. Reena cleaned the utensils. So now here utensils is in plural form. So here the auxiliary verb will be used. So Reena cleaned the utensils. The utensils were cleaned by Reena. So whenever plural form is given, the sentence is in plural form, then we are supposed to use were. Now second, past continuous tense. Now in past continuous tense, was were plus first form of the verb plus ing. Means the verb will contain ing like singing, dancing, playing, jumping. And if we want to change it into passive voice, auxiliary verb was were plus being, being. You have to remember that in continuous tense you have to use being after the auxiliary verb. Now in active voice, the subject will come first plus was were. As I told that was will be used with singular and were will be plural, plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Now the rule of passive voice is object plus was were plus being plus past participle of the verb plus by plus subject. You have to remember this rule. It is very important, dear students. Now let's see the example. Kiran was painting a wall. Now Kiran is a subject here, was painting verb, and a wall is an object. Now if we change this sentence into passive voice, a wall was being painted by Kiran. So here a wall becomes a subject, was being we have to use painted is the past participle of the verb by Kiran. Now the Kiran becomes is a subject here. Okay, so the subject comes at last. They were reading books. Now books is in plural form, so if we change it into passive voice, books were being read by them. Okay, books is in plural form, so we will use books were being read by them. Now past perfect tense. Now you have to remember had plus past participle of the verb, and this past perfect tense is very easy because had will be always given in an active voice. Now let's study the rule of past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus past participle of the verb plus object. And in a passive voice, object plus had plus been. Now you have to remember that whenever perfect tense is given, you have to use be, double E and been. This is very important and you have to remember it. So object plus had plus been plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. Now let's see the examples. Sanya had cleaned the floor. Okay, so Sanya is the subject here. Had cleaned is a verb and the floor is an object. Now in passive voice, the floor had been cleaned by Sanya. So the floor here becomes the subject, cleaned is a verb and Sanya becomes an object. Sheila had finished the homework. The homework had been finished by Sheila. So now you have to remember that you are supposed to use here had been plus past participle of the verb. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.